Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading, and what we're showing you today, this is the Frazier Whiz Lifter, which is their inclined Z-lift bucket elevator. Has the 4x8 buckets, all stainless steel obviously. Has the large bulk feed hopper with the dimpled surface. Of course, the feed vibratory pan feeding the buckets. You'll notice there's a couple of buckets are missing. I think it's about 4 in total missing. They're the 4x8 buckets, as I mentioned. They nest across there. Feed, travel up in a vertical position. I guess that a lot of you people are familiar with them as well. You're looking at an 82-inch discharge height under the top protrusion that sticks out for discharge. Entire unit is stainless, of course, has either stainless or plated bearings. Everything's on wheels. As I mentioned, an 82-inch discharge height. We have other units in our stock discharging at 12 and 14, 15 feet or so. And you'll find them under our conveyors section. Once you click on conveyors from the home page on the menu there, a subset will open, and click on bucket and you'll see all of the bucket conveyors we do have in our inventory. Thanks for joining us for this video today. We hope to hear from you soon.